Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. You don't have to be a genius or a visionary or even a college graduate to be successful. You just need a framework and a dream. Fear is natural. The key is to accept it and use it to your advantage, instead of allowing it to paralyze you. The best brands are built on great stories. You just have to work hard and try to be as professional as you can. Succeeding in business is all about making the right decisions, sticking to your guns, and working your ass off. Perseverance is not a long race, it's many short races one after the other. Dream big, work hard, stay focused, and surround yourself with good people. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Do not be embarrassed by your failures, learn from them and start again. If you like the message of this video, leave your comment, writing which quote you like the most. There are other messages from other authors that you will certainly like to see and reflect on.